Welcome to my channel. I share daily updates on how to make money trading indexes like boom and crash and volatility indexes like V75 using special strategies developed over the years. If you're new to this channel, subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when we share new videos. Today I will be sharing a guide on how to install and set up the non-repaint spike detector which I shared on my previous video. First you copy the files from where you have downloaded them. If you don't have the files, you can download them from the link I have provided in the description below. Open the Deriv MT5 app. Next you click on File on the top dashboard. And then click on Open Data folder. Next click on MLQ5. Click on Indicator. Paste the files you copied and double-click to open. Right-click on Indicator and click Add to Chart. Setup as shown on the screen. Do same for all three indicators. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you're watching for the first time. And hit the bell to get notified when we post new videos. Thank you.